Hello everyone, welcome back to next Selenium tutorial. So today we are going to see one of the difference between descendant XPath Axes method and following XPath Axes method. So there are many tools that they are asking what is the difference between the descendant and following, right? So descendant, whatever comes under the context node, that is context node's opening tag and closing tag, everything comes under descendant, that is its direct children and its grandchildren, everything. So between opening and closing tag of the current or context node, that is descendant. If you take the following node, XPath Axes, right? So that is after the closing tag of your context or current node, whatever comes in the HTML document, complete all the nodes, those are all called as following, right? Let's see some example. So inspect this particular one in the zoho.com. Let's take this particular div as example. So under this, how many elements are coming? You can see only one direct children, and after that grandchildren are there. XPath is grandchildren. So this is opening tag and closing tag. Whatever comes under opening and closing tag, those are descendants. So that's all. That's the descendant. Apart from that, nothing will come under descendant. Just expand this. So this is the closing tag. So only these elements are descendants. So apart from whatever comes before or after, those are not considered descendants, right? Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 nodes are called descendants. But if you take a following, so after the closing tag of the context node, this is the closing tag of this particular node, all the elements starts from here till the end of the node HTML documents, those are following, right? Let's write and count how many are there. Just this is the node, take this as what is this div and at the rate, just this one, right? So let's see. So this is the context node, right? So under this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Take as descendant double colon. To count how many are there, just put asterisk. So you can see in the right side how many elements are there under that particular descendant of current node, right? So only 5. So this is the first one, whatever pointing to, and second, third, fourth, fifth. That's all. This is the descendant, right? And if you take the following XPath Axes, right? These are not comes under following of this context node. Just close this. This is the closing tag. So from here it starts. Everything after this, everything is called following, right? Let's write that. That's all. So we can see this starts from here of the closing tag of the context node. So this is the context node we have written, that is this one. So this is a div element opening tag. This is the closing tag for this one. So after this, whatever comes, those are called following XPath Axes. You can see over here 1302 elements are there under following, right? If you want to filter out any particular tag name like input, it will filter how many are there following input tag, only 13. If you take anything to filter out like kind of div, it will filter out how many are there, 84, like that you can filter out. So this is the very main difference between descendant and following.